That is absolutely fucking crazy.
Okay, hold on.
And
Hold on.
I'm going to unannounced send it to 21 too.
Hold on.
Squirting contest! Let's see who can squirt the farthest.
Squirting contest! Oh my god! I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. I put him away. It's my stream now. I can't breathe. Squirting content. Ow! Oh my god! This chair is so.